going, guys? Got a 79 Toyota pickup Dolphin here. It was made by National RV. So it's a first-gen Toyota Hilux, and it's got about 80,000 miles on it. Sorry for the tight space here, guys. But we picked this up because we're going to go ahead and try to restore it, and we're going to try to take it across the country. Well, I got it locked here. I guess we'll go through the cab. So the previous owner, he went ahead and tried to redo this. I'm probably gonna go ahead and redo it again, but it's not too bad at all. It's got a little toilet there. But yeah, that's it. It's pretty much it. It's got a 20R engine in it, and I can go ahead and show you that. Oh, got it latched. It was set up for a dual battery. And you can see the inverter there. It looks ancient. So we gotta go ahead and redo all the wiring for the coach side of it. But it is a running, driving vehicle right now. And here's the exact mileage right here. 83,200. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna try to go ahead and restore it and get it to a good point. You know, I think it needs a clutch. It does leak a little bit of oil, and I wanted to try to get some power in here, even if it's just a 12-volt inverter. But I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's a good find. And thanks for watching, guys.